Here, buddy, it's Mark again. And my ceiling fan light went out in my bedroom, and this is where I work on all my clocks. It's too dang dark in here for me to work. I'm fixing to move all my desk and everything upstairs because I'm fixing to have a mini split unit in that area right there, and I'm going to have to take all that stuff down so the guy can install it. But normally you could replace these switches on this. The fan itself was working, but the light wasn't working. However, if you look down in there, you'd have to replace this whole unit. Well, I went to Walmart and I bought this kit right here, which it's got a lifetime guarantee, and it has, I gotta find it. Adjustable light option, 2700, 3000, 4000, 5000, and 6500. So the problem is you have to can you find it? It's so dang dark in here. Stand by. The problem is you gotta put that and line it up with the screw holes that are in the bracket, the wall bracket, and when you're blind like me, it's hard to do. So what I'm gonna do, just like I do with my clocks, I'm gonna take a stick and stick it through the holes that that the screw holes go through and that connect to the bracket, because I can't see this stuff. And so it's so dang dark in my house, and I shouldn't be climbing on a ladder, but you guys probably watching me fall on my butt. I gotta get closer because I can't see what I'm doing. There's one. And there's the other. I dropped the screw. And I think if I bend these wires, it'll hold everything in place. At least I'm hoping it will. I'm not doing very good. I'm dropping all these screws. Anyway, I'm going to put that together off camera, but you get the concept. The step stool I had was too little, so I went out and got my foldable ladder. I would caution you to make sure when you put it in the position that you want that it's locked, because I had it so it's a step stool and it wasn't locked and I fell on my ass. So make sure that it's locked, and that hurt like a son of a gun. Finally, after several attempts and me taking a break because I fell and I hurt, I finally got that base up, so now it's on to the next step. I don't know where this thing is made, but as you can see, I got a screw started here, but it's not tight. But you can't get the blade holes to line up with the actual holes. Every one of these were made that way. Probably made in China. To change the brightness of the light, it's set on the lowest, and I'm going to set it on the highest. And these screws right here did not line up either. I had to use a bigger screw with a bigger head on it. Cheaply made. It's all together. I got the light switch turned on now for the smoke test. We have light. We have a fan. Thank God. I'll have to paint around. My original fan had a section that was round that covered all that up. Wal-Mart didn't have one of those things. It comes with a balancing kit if your fan isn't balanced. I'll have to keep this box. The good thing about this is it has a lifetime limited warranty. Better Homes and Garden. Made in Hong Kong, China electrical. There's the problem right there. Anyway, am I happy with it? I'm glad I have light in my room again. But because it's an LED light, hopefully the LED light lasts for the rest of my lifetime. 52-inch LED ceiling fan, 3 blades, rotate at 3 speeds. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna hurt like a son of a gun, and I got front brake pads to stick on my truck, and I have to clear out all that stuff by Friday because the guy is supposed to come Saturday, and I got 3 walls I gotta clear so he can install my mini split units. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and may God bless each and every one of you. I forgot to add, the only good thing this old ceiling fan is for is taking all the screws and the hardware off that you might use. to include from these fan blades and scrap the rest of it out. Again, please leave me some comments. May God bless each and every one of you.